So let's take this little trip that I have to take to get out of this place on this floor. I'm parked on the whole other side, so I either have to take stairs or a ramp. Here's from the 500 range. Let's take this little fun venture, shall we? I still got quite a bit to go. And then I have to go to the JW Marriott, get my car, and then head over to Terre Haute to do back to college night for Rose Hallman from 10 to 2 o'clock in the morning. In just a second, when I round this corner, I'm going to be able to see the retractable window, which is awesome. I think it's pretty neat. All these banners that you're seeing say that they've been blue since certain years. Well, I've been blue since 1990. Straight ahead is the ramp I'm going to be taking to get down, but I want to show you this view first. So they must have their air conditioning on really high here, because it is very chilly. Here's the balcony seats of the end zone.
Like the third, ninth row or something. I don't know.
And then there's the retractable roof or ceiling, wall, and the railing. Now let's go down this winding ramp. So This is going to be a tiresome walk, but we're going to take it because this is the route I took to get up here. So get ready for some fun, winding corners. Here's the fun winding ramp that I took to get up because too many people are taking the escalator and they won't allow you to take the elevator unless you're VIP or handicapped. So I can understand the handicap part, but I think that they should allow people that are up that high to go in elevators. Nice art in these ramps though, so can't really complain there. But try walking up these ramps. They're a killer. Going down's not too bad. Let's see where we're at right now. We are only about at the 400. Yeah, we're only at the 400s. We still have more to go. I am going to be so tired tonight, it's not even going to be funny. My feet are aching right now. And here is the North Loop of the 3 and the 400s. And we're still going down, guys. I'm not even to the main floor. Close, but not yet. Now we're to the lower suites, which means we have at least another whole floor to go before we actually get out. We're getting pretty dang close though, so can't complain. Wow, there's a lot of really good art in these ramps that I didn't notice on the way up, but I was trying to focus on when I'm getting off and everything. And now we are finally on the street level. Yay. Now we are finally on the main level. Now it's my walk all the way up to my car. So yay. Everybody's waiting at that street light there. I'm gonna cut through these parking lots over here. Since my car is in the garage underneath the Marriott there, might as well take this route and save me a trip walking down there and then across. This is actually where we were supposed to start the 5K this morning, but due to all the bad weather hitting, we had to actually move it inside, and a 5K turned into 0.25 miles of walking down through the innards of Lucas Oil. So we still got medals and got to finish on the 50, but it wasn't timed or anything. So it wasn't the same, but everybody still had a really great time. The Colts won the game, so can't complain there. And I think the Colts will have a very good season this year. So, yeah. Between the time that the 5K ended today, due to the modified walking, I guess you can say, and entertainment because of all the rain, because we were supposed to have it outside, I walked back to my car, changed quickly, and then I went over to Circle Center Mall and looked around, had me some lunch at a really nice Asian place, and went and checked out Hard Rock Indianapolis, so that wasn't too bad either. And then went back to my car and grabbed my umbrella because it was supposed to storm really bad later, so it started downpouring when I got down to the canal walk, so I waited it out and then the sun came out and it stopped raining, and I got to enjoy the canal walk. So now it's the walk. Now it's the walk to the JW Marriott. Victory Field straight ahead too. So, and this is what I went through this morning, except for not many people on the sidewalk either way, and no cars. So it looks like it's far away, but it's really not. I'm like almost to the Marriott. So when I get there, I'm gonna get off, guys. So I've probably easily peaked 35,000 steps today. So that's not my all-time best, but I haven't done anything over 25,000 steps in a very, very long time. I get close at work, but not as much as I walked today. So easily probably one of my best step counts coming tonight, because this is only part 2 of 3. I still have to get back to Terre Haute for back to college night tonight until 2 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 5 this morning, so it's gonna be a very long night, and I'm probably gonna have to get me an energy drink, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So, and there's Victory Field through the trees there. And there's the JW Marriott. So when I get to the intersection, I'm gonna get off, guys.
All that money they make. And Donald Trump said they smart.
I've definitely made up for that 5K that got rained at this morning in my walking, so I would have hated to see how many steps I would have got if I actually got to do the 5K and then everything afterwards. So yeah, I definitely would have had like a heart of a lion there, but all right. Well, guys, I'm gonna get off now. Talk to you later.